Breaking news at this time. Freddie Gray's death has been ruled a homicide by Baltimore State Attorney Marilyn Mosby. 6 officers have been charged with a number of crimes, including second-degree murder, manslaughter, assault, misconduct, and false imprisonment. A warrant has been issued for their arrests. At least some measure of justice is being meted out at this time. The officers are officially being accused of murder. That at the very least, Freddie Gray's death is a result of police actions. Now, according to the Baltimore Sun, Mosby said an investigation found officers placed Gray in a wrist and ankle restraints and left him stomach down on the floor of a police van as they drove around West Baltimore. Despite his repeated requests for medical attention, they did not provide it and continued to drive without securing him in the van, she said. Officers on at least 5 occasions placed Gray in a van or checked on him and failed to secure him, she said. By the time they reached the Western District Police Station, he was not breathing and was in cardiac arrest, she said. The officers have been charged as follows. Officer Caesar R. Goodson, Jr., second-degree depraved heart murder, manslaughter, assault in the second degree, manslaughter by vehicle. One is gross negligence, and manslaughter by vehicle is criminal negligence. Misconduct in office, according to the 8th Amendment. Officer William G. Porter, manslaughter, involuntary. Assault in the second degree. Misconduct in office, according to the 8th Amendment. Lieutenant Brian W. Rice, manslaughter, involuntary. Assault in the second degree, 2 counts. Misconduct in office on the 8th Amendment, 2 counts. False imprisonment by the 8th Amendment. Officer Edward M. Nero, 2 charges of assault in the second degree. 2 counts of misconduct in office, 1 count of false imprisonment. Officer Garrett E. Miller, assault in the second degree, assault in the second degree, 2 counts of misconduct in office and false imprisonment. Sergeant Alicia D. White, manslaughter, involuntary, assault in the second degree, and misconduct in office, 8th Amendment. It's good news that the people who essentially are responsible for the death of Freddie Gray are going to be investigated and that charges have actually been filed against them. But we have seen too many times in the past where someone has been charged, a police officer has been charged with breaking the law, even outright murder, and then are not convicted. Or in the very least, are convicted and are given the lightest possible sentence in these cases. I will feel a lot more optimistic once we actually see these police officers in court, formally charged, like publicly charged, where we can see it happen, and then are convicted of the crimes that they committed.